In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image in Wix, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're updating your portfolio, refreshing your blog, or just want to give your site a new look, changing an image can make all the difference. So, let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you need to log in to your Wix account. Head over to the Wix website, enter your credentials, and access your site's dashboard. Once you're here, you'll see a comprehensive overview of everything you might need for your website. This dashboard ensures you have all your essential business and site management tools at your fingertips. Next, click on the Design Site button. This will direct you to the editor where you can make all the magic happen. Here, you have complete creative control over your website's appearance, so feel free to explore and experiment with different design elements. Now, navigate to the specific page that contains the image you want to change. If you have multiple pages on your website, you might find it useful to use the Site menu to locate the right one quickly. Once you're on the right page, hover over the image you're looking to replace, and you'll notice a toolbar appearing right alongside it. On this toolbar, you'll find an option labeled Change Image. Go ahead and click on it. This option will open up your Media Manager, an organized library of all the images you've uploaded to Wix in the past. You can either select a new image from here or choose to upload a new one from your device. If you're uploading, make sure the image you select is of high quality and that it fits well with the website's overall aesthetic. Interesting to note, the process is identical when you're dealing with images within galleries, button images, and even section backgrounds. So you can apply these steps universally to ensure your entire site remains visually cohesive and aligned with your vision. Once you've selected and adjusted the image to your liking, it's time for the final steps. Look for the Preview button, usually found near the top right corner of the editor. Clicking this allows you to see how your changes will look live on your site without actually publishing them. This step is incredibly useful as it gives you one last chance to make any final tweaks. Satisfied with how everything looks? Excellent. Now click